When you hear Hungary, you can't help but think of food. However, while this country does have delicious cuisine, it also has some of the best wine in the world, and today we're off to learn about it.
People enjoy being on the countryside, and that's a very big occasion to get out from Budapest in an area which is relaxing, peaceful and quiet. And of course the Hungarian wines. The good news is that we have great wine. The bad news, you have to come to Hungary to be able to enjoy it.
We're just 30 minutes outside of the city, and here we are in this beautiful wine country, rolling hills. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. We're driving through these adorable little towns, and at one point there were over 1,000 cellars here. It looks so tiny from the outside, and you walk in and it just expands all the way down 2 floors into the cellar.
The cellar and the building was built in 1879. It's part of the local heritage.
Not only are we trying delicious wines, we're also meeting the locals who produce them.
It's been really just a pleasure being here and getting to meet the person making your wine and getting something so unique.
That's so cool. I've never seen that before. Amazing. Now it's time for more wine and lunch. Wow, this is so beautiful. Gorgeous. This is so fascinating. I've never seen them actually destem grapes and get them ready for fermentation. At each stop, you're getting 4 different kinds of wines, so you're really getting a nice variety of the types of wines in this region.
I feel like this is more rustic, drinking wines that you would not get anywhere in the world because they're not distributed, and that's what makes it lovely.
Great wines, great time, great friends on the tour.
This has been such an incredible adventure outside of Budapest. We visited wineries, tasted delicious wines, had an incredible meal, but best of all, we've met the locals who call this place home.